Managing Geospatial Data Using ArcGIS, Part 5, Adding Data to Arcmap. In the previous video, you learned how to inspect the metadata. In this video, you will learn how to add data to Arcmap. There are several ways to add data to Arcmap. The most direct method is to drag and drop the files from the catalog window. In this step, you will add the Humboldt County boundary to the map document. From the catalog window, select the Humboldt County boundary shapefile from the working folder. Click and drag the file over the data frame, the interior window pane in Arcmap, then release. The Humboldt County boundary appears in the data frame window. Another way to add data is to use the main menu. From the menu across the top, select File, then Add Data. When the flyout menu appears, you will see several options for adding data. In future activities, you may use each of these options. For now, select Add Data from the flyout menu. Using the drop-down menu, navigate to your working folder and add the roads shapefile. The roads in Humboldt County appear in the data frame window. The standard toolbar also provides a means to add data. Unlike the main menu, toolbars can be moved around, removed from view, and added back in. Currently, there are two active toolbars, the Standard Toolbar and the Tools Toolbar. To demonstrate which one is which, select Customize from the main menu. Then select Toolbars. A long list of toolbars appears. Near the bottom of the list, a check mark appears next to Standard and Tools. Uncheck the Standard Toolbar and you will see it disappear from Arcmap. Check it and it appears again. In a typical workflow, you customize Arcmap to display the toolbars that you use the most. Under some circumstances, the toolbars may appear when you switch views or activate specific tools. On the standard toolbar, click the Add Data icon. It appears as a black plus sign over a yellow diamond. Using the drop-down menu, navigate to your working folder. Add the fire hydrant shapefile. The locations of fire hydrants in Humboldt County appears in the data frame window.